Hey everybody, Uncle Phil here. Yeah, my nephew Tyler been having a little problem with his water heater. He called a plumber in, and the plumber said he had a bad dip tube, and that he would need to change his water heater, and that it would cost $2,200. So I'm trying to help him out. I don't want to see him spend $2,200 if he doesn't have to. So I changed his dip tube, and that didn't really take care of all the problems. Maybe the dip tube was cracked or broke. Maybe it improved it a little bit, but I don't think that it did the trick all the way. So we're going to look into the elements, the upper and the lower elements, and we're going to give it a tune-up. Just went to Home Depot and bought a tune-up kit. Comes with 2 elements and 2 thermostats, and so we're going to change those, and let's see if we can do this. Sometimes when pulling these out, they won't come right out because they're twisted from the element being heated over time. And also you want to be careful because all the stuff on the elements, the scale and stuff, can have sharpness to it, and you don't want to grab on it and pull on it and cut your fingers. So this one, it's giving us problems. All right, there you go. All right, that one looks better than that one. Okay, there we go. That's not going anywhere. Got 2 tabs on the bottom. Just pull it out. Alright, so we're going to replace these wires. Get this put back in. Alright, there we go. She's in there. Let's see. Alright. So we gotta pull these tabs back and snap it in there. Alright. Ooh, she snapped in. She's completely solid now. I'll be right back. I'm going to reference my picture and of the wires. I'll be right back. All right, there we go. We'll get these threads clean. I'm going to go ahead and get this cleaned up a little bit. Then we'll get to putting the thermostat in. Don't forget the O-ring. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and get this cleaned up a little bit. We'll get that thermostat changed. Alright, so got the old element out, got the new element in, got a little bit of this water cleaned up, and now get this old thermostat out, and you know, one element bad, two element bad, one thermostat bad, who knows. We're going to change them all out. If one goes bad, they're probably all getting ready to go bad. Alright. There she is. Okay. See what this one was set at, 140. We're just going to set ours at 130. Alright, so it's got a couple locking mechanisms, a couple clips that go into this little clip holders. And I want that to snap in good because that thermostat has to rest up against the water heater so it can feel that heat and work that thermostat. Alright, I'll be right back. I'm going to reference the picture for the wires. Hey everybody, Uncle Phil here. Alright, so we got it all installed. I think everything should be fine. Get ready to turn on the water. We'll turn on the power. We'll check for leaks and give it a little bit of time and see if everything's working properly. And hopefully we did Tyler a solid and he saved some money. Maybe I'll get some chicken wings out of it and everything will be good. So I'm gonna go turn on the water. Be right back. Gotta clean up a little bit too. Oops, first I better close the drain. Alright, drain's closed. water's on. Alright, I better start cleaning up while the tank fills up. It's not always necessary, but when you do things out of love, it's always nice to leave the place a little bit cleaner, or at least as clean as when you first arrived. So we got the floor all cleaned up, wiped clean with a towel. I think it's we're ready to go turn the power on. Then we'll see if it how hot it gets and how long the hot water lasts, and then maybe we'll get some chicken wings. Hey Tyler, okay, we're ready to turn the power on, just like last time. Go ahead. You do it? All right, so got our little stick right here. Well, the stick's working. Let's see if we got power to the water heater. Okay, we got power to the water heater. Nothing's blown up, so that's good. All right, we got power to top and bottom thermostat. I guess we'll give it about 15 minutes or so, maybe 20, and we'll see if everything's working properly. Let's hope for the best. Okay, everybody, so we just turned on the hot water. The hot water was scalding hot. Tyler's going to the gym right now, so when he gets back, he's gonna take an extra long shower, and we'll find out for sure then if it's lasting for a long time. But I'm feeling real confident about this repair. I do know that the water's heating up, so I'm gonna I believe it's working, but Tyler, give us an update.
Yeah, we just tested it out in the kitchen too, and the sink was scalding hot water. I can already tell a difference. Of course, we'll see how long it lasts in the second test, but I think this did the trick. And thank you, Uncle Phil. This saved me this saved well over $1,000.
Well, you know what? I'm looking forward to helping Cody out. That's going to be an honor.
Mm-hmm.
I can't wait. Cody, you're next.
Yep.
All right, Uncle Phil out. See you, everybody.